Welcome back to the channel, it's Al here, and today we're going to be diving into the 2024 Toyota Yaris TR VVT-I CVT, a reliable hatchback that's been turning heads since its release. This model, the 1.33 VVT-I Multi-Drive S, combines Toyota's reputation for reliability with a compact yet surprisingly spacious design. Whether you're navigating busy city streets or cruising the open road, this car promises to deliver a smooth and efficient drive. So let's get under the hood and see what makes this Yaris tick. Starting with the exterior, the Yaris TR VVT-I comes in a striking black finish that adds a touch of sophistication to its compact profile. The sleek lines and sporty hatchback shape give it a modern look that's perfect for urban living. Despite being a small car, it boasts a bold presence on the road, thanks to its dynamic front grille and sharp headlight design. If you're after a car that looks both practical and stylish, the Yaris doesn't disappoint. Stepping inside, the Yaris offers a surprisingly spacious interior for a hatchback. The seats are comfortable and provide good support, making long drives less of a chore. The dashboard layout is straightforward and user-friendly, with controls that are easy to reach and intuitive to use. The infotainment system, while basic, does its job with Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to stay connected on the go. The boot space is decent for its class, enough to fit your shopping, gym gear, or a couple of weekend bags. However, rear seat legroom might feel a little bit cramped for a taller passenger. Under the hood, the Yaris is equipped with a 1329cc engine delivering 98 brake horsepower. The multi-drive S automatic gearbox ensures a smooth and responsive drive, particularly in stop-start city traffic. While it's not the most powerful engine out there, it's perfectly adequate for daily commuting and light highway driving. The car handles well around the corners, and its compact size makes parking a breeze, even in the tightest of spaces. Plus, with a Euro 5B status, it's compliant with London's ULEZ regulations, making it a solid choice for city dwellers. Fuel efficiency is one of the Yaris's strong suits. Thanks to its 1.33-litre VVT-I petrol engine, it strikes a good balance between power and economy. This makes it an ideal choice for those looking to keep running costs low without sacrificing the convenience of an automatic gearbox. What are the pros of this car? Stylish design. The black hatchback look is sleek and modern, making it stand out in the crowd. It's also got really great fuel economy, which is perfect for city driving and longer journeys without frequent stops at the pump. It also has a smooth automatic gearbox with the multi-drive S system, ensuring a seamless and comfortable driving experience. The size is compact and it's easy to maneuver and park. And it's also ULEZ compliant, which is a great plus for city drivers looking to avoid extra charges. What are the cons? What are the disadvantages of this Yaris? Well, firstly, it's limited in power. With the 98 brake horsepower, it's not the fastest car in its class, so it might struggle on steep inclines or during overtaking. There's also relatively cramped rear seats, so taller passengers may find the back seats a bit tight for long journeys. Overall, the Toyota Yaris TR VVT-I CVT is a solid, no-nonsense hatchback that offers reliability, great fuel efficiency, and an easy driving experience. It's perfect for city dwellers and those who need a dependable car for everyday use. While it might lack some of the bells and whistles of newer models, its pros far outweigh its cons, especially if you value practicality over performance. So what do you think of the Toyota Yaris TR VVT-I CVT? Would it be your choice for a city runabout? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more car reviews. Until next time, drive safe, stay tuned, and go to carnights.co.uk to buy this car and many other Toyotas and Audis and Teslas that we sell.